gonna want to see this. What do you see?
No houses, wide street. Clearly a commercial district of some kind.
Yes, thank you for that, Nathan. Come on. What do you see?
You just want to hear me say it, don't you?
Really want to hear you say it.
All right. Libertalia.
Libertalia! The long-lost legendary pirate utopia discovered after 300 years by one Samuel Drake. And his younger, slightly less charming brother who happened to be tagging along for the ride. You know, I always knew you'd make something of yourself one day.
Yeah, just so you know, it's not my first lost city.
You should just enjoy the moment. So where you want to start?
How about that building right over there?
Oh, you mean the one with the massive guard tower?
Yeah, I say we go see what it was guarding.
Works for me. This is... I mean, I'm speechless. Holy goddamn shit, Nathan!
That's your idea of speechless?
God, how long do you think it took them to build this place?
Years. Decades, even. How the hell did they keep it a secret all that time?
This place, I mean, even without the treasure, this is quite the find.
If only Alcazar saw it that way.
You just can't let us enjoy this, can you?
I'm enjoying it. But we have a goal here, remember?
Trust me, I know about the goal.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay, then.
Hey, Sam, check it out. Blacksmith forge. Making some cutlasses here.
Avast, you dirty dog!
Nice.
I was doing the...
Oh, yeah, no, I know.
I was doing the thing.
Right, right. You're a horrible pirate.
Suppose they traded with other colonies?
If they did, they didn't do it on this island. Otherwise, word would have gotten out about the place.
Good point.
Hey, look at this. There were families here.
Yeah, so... where the hell did everyone go? I mean, are they all raptured or something?
Captain Avery. Was wondering when you'd turn up. What's this symbol?
I saw a few of them when I was coming to find you.
Who's marking these places? Is that another sigil?
No, not that I know of.
Maybe invaders? I mean, I'm sure these guys had plenty of enemies out there.
That's a good point.
Guess even a pirate utopia needs a place to lock up riffraff.
Can you imagine who pirates put in prison? That's a little hypocritical, don't you think? Pirates having a jail?
Well, I guess every group has its assholes. This way. Follow me. Hey, Sam, come here. This looks promising.
Right behind you. Go! Okay, guess we're not going back that way.
This is unusual. These tunnels look a lot rougher than the rest of the colony.
Kinda like they were built in a hurry.
It's like a hideout of some kind.
Yeah, but who'd they be hiding out from? Themselves?
Look at this. Looks like the layout of the commercial district.
And boom, there's our treasury right there. See? There's the tower.
What were these guys up to?
There's a symbol again.
Yeah. You know, if that symbol was from an invading force, we wouldn't have found it in an underground hideout.
Maybe there was trouble in paradise. Secret society or rebels.
All definite possibilities. That's our way out of here. I see some light down below. Holy shit. Hey! I found more of the colony. Shh, shh.
Where do we go from here?
I'm not sure. I don't think they've seen us yet.
Spotted something. Watch yourself.
All right. Keep your head down.
Just about tell you the same thing.
What the?
All of them.
Grab any ammo you can. That won't be the last of them.
You think they're looking for us or the treasure?
No and Rafe? Both. Ah, crap, more shoreliners.
Like Rich boy was right. Lekker. About time we had a proper payday.
All right, then. Look out! Armored guy!
Nothing.
Oh, boy.
See any more? Or are we clear?
I think we're clear.
You all right?
Yeah, just a little winded.
Come on, Sam!
Is that thing steady?
Steady as anything else around here.
Oh, okay, so no. All right. Here I come. Hey, there's some more friends up ahead.
Aina! Yeesh, this whole place is falling apart.
What's up, man? It's an old building over there. Hey, you ever done anything like this? No. Overthrown a couple of governments, looted villages. But this is something else. There you are!
Any news on the team?
They're right here, hey? I see him! Get this! Keep him down! Everyone, spread out!
That's it.
For now. We better keep moving.
Over here. Come on, ready?
Ready. All right.
Thanks.
Careful. It's a long way down.
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Oh, crap! Whew. Watch that first step.
It's a doozy.
Yeah.
Ladder's busted in the middle.
We'll make do. Keep heading up. How you doing back there?
It's a hell of a view.
Almost there, Sam.
Okay. Now what?
Trust me and follow my lead, okay?
Well, do all of that then?
Yeah, something like that. Definitely in the high-rent district now.
Not residential, though. I think some kind of administration building?
Probably. Maybe Libertalia had a zoning committee.
Maybe they paid taxes.
Who knows? Holy crap.
Well, I see our missing colonists. Some of them, anyway.
Jesus. Cannons, improvised barricades. What the hell happened here?
Some kind of battle.
It's a rhetorical question. The real question is who's fighting who? And why?
Some of these bodies, dressed a bit more fancy, look like soldiers.
Man, this is impressive.
To say the least.